Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your HMRC tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in HMRC tax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link, personal tax account. Just click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface. Now scroll down a bit to sign in. Now over here just click on Start Now button. Now again you will be taken to the new interface. Just scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the sign in form. Just you need to enter your government gateway user ID over here. Similarly enter your password over here. And once you click on sign in button you will be easily access your account. If you don't have any account of HMRC, just click on create on sign in details. In case if you forgot your password, just click on I have forgotten my password to recover your password. Similarly, click on I have forgotten my government gateway user ID. And similarly, I have forgotten my government gateway user ID and password. In case if you forgot your user ID and password both. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.